Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a pair of earphones. This happens to be the MINISO colorful music earphones. And if you're wondering about the model number, it is HF236 Black. Same thing is mentioned in multiple languages along the circumference of the packaging. And we find some manufacturer's details, that is contact information as well as the address. Then there are some specifications stated over here. The cable length is 120 centimeters, the impedance is 16 ohms, and it happens to be in black color, which is quite obvious. Aside from that, you don't have much on the packaging, so we'll just go ahead and unbox it. It just opens up and out come the earphones along with one little snippet of documentation. Let's go through the documentation first. It's simply a user guide. You can see that they're just asking you to plug it into the source and start playback. Or if you want to answer calls, just press the phone call button to answer or hang the call. There's some caution statements as well at the bottom, but it's quite simple and straightforward. I'll just place this over here. Then we have the earphones. Once we open that up, we can see that the cable is quite long, 1.2 meters or 120 centimeters is what they stated. It is a Y cable, and you can see that it comes off a little close to around 50 centimeters. Then there's the little control pod with a microphone inlet on the back and a little button on the front. Then you have the earbuds themselves. There's no magnetic backing. It's quite simple in design, and you don't get any additional accessories. This is the one medium-sized ear tip that comes pre-installed. So that's it for the unboxing of the MINISO colorful music earphones. Thank you for watching.